The Great Sneaker Odyssey, in search of the ultimate super foam. In the timeless saga of footwear innovation, the New Balance 990 running sneaker stands as a venerable monument, weathering 4 decades of trends and tastes with unwavering fortitude. Yet, when whispers of a daring enhancement surfaced within the hallowed halls of the Boston footwear bastion in late 2022, uncertainty rippled through the ranks. The proposal? Infuse the shoe with a delicate yet transformative squishy foam, elevating the midsole by a mere 2 millimeters. Thus began a saga of debate and deliberation, with Brad Lacey, New Balance's intrepid vice president of global footwear design, acknowledging the fervor. Hotly debated were his words, reflecting the internal strife over a move that some feared might estrange the shoe's devoted non-running disciples. But fate had other plans. Against all odds, the integration of New Balance's revolutionary fuel cell foam, meticulously crafted for the rigors of racing and poised to make its grand debut at the forthcoming Paris Olympics, proved a triumph. Rather than repelling the faithful, this audacious leap propelled the brand to unprecedented heights, setting ablaze sales records and permeating every facet of the running sneaker domain. In the wake of a global pandemic that reshaped the very fabric of consumer behavior, a seismic shift swept through the footwear landscape. Emerging from the crucible of confinement, consumers emerged with a newfound reverence for comfort, a sentiment that transcended the confines of homebound solitude and seeped into the very ethos of everyday life. Even as the specter of office commutes loomed large, the allure of coziness remained undiminished. Thus, a battle cry echoed through the corridors of industry titans and plucky startups alike, heralding a new epoch in the annals of athletic footwear. From the verdant valleys of On and Hoka to the storied streets of New Balance and Under Armour, a symphony of innovation reverberated, as each vied for supremacy in the realm of bulky running shoes. Deep within the sanctum sanctorum of research laboratories, where science and innovation intertwine in a delicate dance, a silent revolution unfolded. Here, amidst the hum of machinery and the scent of experimentation, scientists toiled tirelessly to unlock the secrets of foam alchemy. Armed with cutting-edge technology and an unyielding spirit of discovery, they delved into the annals of chemical compounds, drawing inspiration from the most unlikely of sources. Kyle Blakely, the visionary vice president of innovation at Under Armour, encapsulated the zeitgeist succinctly. "You've had a couple of sparks and now the whole market has moved there." Once relegated to the periphery of shoe design, cushioning emerged as the lodestar of athletic footwear innovation. No longer a mere afterthought, it now stood as the linchpin of comfort and performance, heralding a new era of design philosophy. This seismic shift found its genesis a decade ago, when Hoka, under the stewardship of Deckers Outdoor, dared to challenge convention. Embracing the allure of foam with unbridled enthusiasm, they crafted designs that captivated the hearts of elite athletes and casual sneaker enthusiasts alike. As the chunky aesthetic gained traction, sales soared to dizzying heights, with Hoka's revenue skyrocketing from a modest $352 million in 2020 to a staggering $1.8 billion by March 2023, a testament to the enduring appeal of innovation. As the industry embraced the symbiotic relationship between fashion and function, the gauntlet was thrown, igniting a frenzied pursuit of the next breakthrough in foam technology. In Zurich, On forged an alliance with French titan Arkema, birthing Helion foam from the crucible of collaboration, with Pebax as its celestial catalyst. Across the English Channel, Nike, the undisputed behemoth of athletic footwear, found solace in the embrace of British stalwart Zotafoams, their partnership birthing the legendary Vaporfly midsoles, harbingers of the super shoe era. Meanwhile, in the hallowed halls of Under Armour, a colossus in the realm of sports apparel, Dow Chemical emerged as the silent architect behind the revolutionary flow technology, immortalized in the footwear donned by none other than NBA luminary Stephen Curry. In this epic saga of innovation and perseverance, the pursuit of the perfect foam serves as a poignant testament to the indomitable spirit of human ingenuity. As industry titans and plucky startups alike converge on the battlefield of innovation, The echoes of their endeavors reverberate far beyond the confines of the track and field, shaping the very fabric of consumer expectations and industry standards. In this brave new world of sneaker warfare, where each stride is a testament to human achievement, the quest for the next super foam rages on, an unyielding force propelling the industry towards uncharted horizons.